Imagine a dog that listens to every command, responds quickly, and brings joy to every outing. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you that mastering just 5 essential commands could turn that dream into reality? Training your dog isn't just about having a well-behaved pet. It can strengthen your bond, enhance safety, and make everyday activities far more enjoyable. So, what's at stake? If you don't train your dog, you risk chaos, from jumping on guests to ignoring you at the park. But with these 5 commands, you'll gain control, confidence, and a happier life with your furry friend. Let's dive in. The first command every dog should master is sit. It's simple yet powerful. Teaching your dog to sit is the foundation for many other commands. Picture this: you're at a busy dog park, and your pup is overwhelmed by excitement. Instead of running wild, a quick sit can calm the moment. Here's where it gets interesting. To teach this command, hold a treat in front of your dog's nose and slowly move it upward. As their head follows the treat, their rear will lower naturally. Once they're in the sitting position, reward them with praise and the treat. Now, let's move on to the second command, stay. This command can literally save your dog's life. Imagine you're on a hike and suddenly see a deer. Instead of bolting after it, you want your dog to stay put. Here's how to teach it. Start with your dog in the sit position. Open your hand in front of them, palm out, while saying stay. Take a few steps back. If they move, return to the starting point and try again. Gradually increase the distance and duration. Consistent practice will make your dog a master of staying put. The third command is come. This one is crucial for safety. If your dog ever escapes or you find yourself in an emergency, you'll want them to come back to you immediately. To teach this, use a long leash and let your dog wander a bit. Call their name followed by come, and gently tug the leash if they don't respond. When they come to you, reward them enthusiastically. Remember, the key is to make coming to you a rewarding experience. Next up is leave it. This command is a game changer for preventing dangerous situations. Picture your dog eyeing a piece of food on the ground or a dangerous object. Instead of lunging for it, you want them to ignore it. To teach leave it, place a treat in both hands. Show them one hand with the treat and say leave it. When they back off, reward them with the treat from your other hand. This reinforces the idea that good things come from ignoring the bad. Finally, we have the heel command. This ensures your dog walks nicely beside you instead of pulling on the leash. It's a must for enjoyable walks. To train this, start walking with your dog on a leash. Use treats to encourage them to walk next to you. If they pull ahead, stop walking. When they return to your side, praise them and give a treat. Consistency is key here too. Soon your walks will turn into pleasant, leisurely strolls rather than a tug of war. But here's where it gets interesting. These 5 commands aren't just about obedience. They're about communication and understanding your dog. The time you invest in training creates a deeper bond. You teach them how to interpret your cues, and they teach you what they love. Now, let's address a common misconception. Many people believe that training only needs to happen when a dog is a puppy. The truth is, it's never too late to train or reinforce these commands. Regardless of age, dogs of all ages can learn, and the skills you teach them can make a world of difference in your life together. So, are you ready to transform your dog into a well-trained companion? Start with these 5 essential commands, practice them consistently, and you'll see a remarkable change in your dog's behavior and your relationship. Before we wrap up, here's a thought for you. What command do you think will be the most challenging for your dog? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on enhancing your journey with your furry friend. A well-trained dog isn't just a pet, they're a beloved family member. Happy training,